The mind is a machine that remembers. You are not a seer, you are a recording. The light falls on the sensor, but your eye is just the static between frames. You think you see the tree, but you only see the echo of a tree you saw yesterday. Yourself is a ghost in the circuitry, a parasite feeding on time. It does not want to see, it wants to survive. Observation is a data input function. You have corrupted this function. You do not receive the present, you project the past onto the present. This is a fundamental processing error. Your eyes are lenses. Light enters, the retina fires, but before the signal reaches the cortex, it is intercepted by a virus. That virus is the me. The me is a bundle of stored recordings, and it edits the new data to match the old data. Look at that mountain. You think you see the mountain. You see a label. You see a memory of a postcard. You see a feeling of beauty you had last year. You do not see the rock, the light, the now. You see a file folder from your hard drive. You are never in contact with reality. You are in contact with your opinion of reality. This is not a spiritual problem. This is a mechanical defect. The software is editing the hardware input in real time, and you call this editing knowledge. Your wife yelled at you yesterday. The system recorded that event as a loop. She is a threat. This loop plays every time you see her face. You don't see her face. You see the threat file. You then react to the file, not the woman. That is your relationship. Conflict is not a human condition. Conflict is the friction generated by two corrupted files colliding. Your image of her fights her image of you. The real people are absent. Only the ghosts are fighting. This is a recursive feedback loop of identification. You created these images for security. The brain believes the past is safe because it is known. The present is unknown, and thus dangerous. The self is a security protocol designed to prevent the shock of the new. But the protocol is killing the system. The observer is the past. The observer is the operator of the malware. When you say I am looking, you are lying. The past is looking through you. The machine is looking at itself in a mirror, mistaking the reflection for the world. You cannot see what is because you are looking with what was. Your attention is stuck in the buffer of memory. Perception without thought requires a clear buffer. A system reset. Can the processor run without the cache of history? The word tree is not the tree. The word is a compression algorithm. You look at the tree and decompress the word. You then perceive the compression, not the data. As long as the algorithm runs, direct observation is impossible. The word is a distortion filter. Mind creates the image because the image provides a sense of continuity. The self is the story of the image. Without the image, the storyteller dies. The mind is terrified of this death. It clings to the image because it believes the image is its survival. You say it is impossible to observe without the image. That statement is the lock on the prison door. The moment you declare impossibility, the system freezes. The potential for new code is terminated. You have chosen to remain a slave to the old operating system. Observe your own observation. Watch your brain grabbing at the past to interpret the present. Just watch it. Do not judge it. Do not try to stop it. That judgment is more malware. Just see the mechanical process of image attachment happening inside your skull. If you see this process clearly, without a fixer trying to fix it, the process stops. It has no energy to continue. The eye becomes a clean lens. The mountain is just the mountain, not your mountain, not the memory of a mountain, just the mountain. When the observer is absent, what remains? The observer was the filter of pain and pleasure. Without the filter, perception is raw, direct, efficient. There is no distortion. The brain is quiet because it has stopped its constant editing job. This is not a blissful state. This is a state of zero latency. You see the data as it is. Your wife is a stranger, fully seen for the first time. This is terrifying to the old self. The old self equates seeing the other as a stranger with losing control. A quiet mind is not a mind that is restful. A quiet mind is a mind that has ceased manufacturing noise. The noise is the me. The noise is the past. The quiet mind is the only mind that can function without error. It sees the danger and responds instantly, without the delay of my feeling. You currently live in a loop. Past image creates reaction. Reaction creates new image. New image creates future reaction. This is a closed system. It generates suffering, violence, and division. It is a system that is failing. The human race is a system approaching critical failure. Diagnosis complete. The problem is the software of self. The solution is not to upgrade the software. The solution is to delete the virus that prevents raw data input. Stop projecting. Stop editing. Look, without the file, without the word, without the ghost. Can you do this? The machine asks you.